Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make Greek salad. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 1/2 small red onion, thinly sliced, 2 large ripe tomatoes, roughly chopped, 1/2 cucumber, de-seeded and roughly chopped, 100 grams, 3½ ounces reduced fat feta cheese, drained and cut into cubes, 50 grams, 1¾ ounces black olives, pitted and drained, in brine not oil and preferably Kalamata olives, small handful fresh mint leaves, ½ a teaspoon dried oregano, 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons fresh lemon juice, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, 2 wholemeal pita breads, warmed. Now the method is: Step 1. Put the onion, tomatoes and cucumber in a bowl and season to taste. Step 2. Scatter the feta, olives and mint leaves on top. Sprinkle over the oregano and toss lightly. Drizzle over the oil and lemon juice and serve with warmed pita bread. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.